Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save your password and how to view your saved password for YouTube. We will also show you how to find it if you've forgotten it, but still have it saved on your phone or browser. We will walk you through it step by step so it's easy to follow. First, open your browser or go to your YouTube dashboard. Then, click on the small profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on it, and then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, click on View or change your Google account settings. From there, we can go to the Password Manager. Click on Password Manager to open it. To export your passwords, click on the gear icon. Here, you will see the option to export or import your passwords as a CSV file. Go ahead and export it so the file gets saved to your computer. Once it's downloaded, you won't be able to open it directly, but you can open it using any app that supports CSV files. And that's how we view saved YouTube passwords on our device. Always remember to keep your login details private to protect your account.